For decades, construction meant one thing: slow. Weeks of scaffolding, months of waiting, armies of workers doing the same back-breaking tasks day after day, the same way they've always been done. That era is over. What you're about to see isn't a glimpse into the future. It's happening right now on real job sites, in real countries, on real projects. Robots that plaster walls faster than entire crews. Balconies that install in 15 minutes. Buildings assembled like Lego from factory-finished rooms. Pools that arrive 95% complete. Roofs nailed by a robot. Today, you are going to witness 30 construction innovations that have completely transformed the way we build, making the entire process up to 10 times faster than ever before. And stay tuned, because later in this video, you'll see a 2,000 apartment building that went up in just 54 hours. Laying bricks by hand is officially obsolete. Meet the Road Printer Eco by RP Systems, a fully electric paving machine that does in hours what used to take an entire crew days. No more workers on their knees placing bricks one by one. Load the hopper, set the pattern, and let gravity handle the rest. As the machine moves forward, bricks slide down a curved ramp and drop perfectly into position, like rolling out a carpet, except that carpet is a road. A traditional crew covers 800 to 1,000 square feet, 75 to 100 square meters per day. The Road Printer Eco lays over 3,200 square feet, 300 square meters, more than 3 times the output. Electric-powered, quieter, cleaner, and built for the future of construction. Creating a stunning feature wall traditionally means multiple trades: framing, plastering, tiling, lighting design, finishing. That's days of work, multiple contractors, and a lot of coordination. Venetian glass bricks from Austral Bricks collapse all of that into one single step. Crafted in Italy using centuries-old Venetian glassmaking techniques, these bricks lay exactly like standard bricks. Same process, same tools, same speed. But the moment they're in place, you already have your finished surface. No render, no tiles, no feature lighting needed. Available in multiple colors and polished or frosted finishes, they work across bathrooms, kitchens, facades, and feature walls. A result that would normally take a week, done in a day. Residential buildings are incomplete without balconies, but building one for every single story takes scaffolding, welding, and days of hard work. So, what if a ready-made balcony could be brought to the site and installed in just 15 minutes? That's exactly what Sapphire Balconies is doing with its glide-on system, making balcony installation easy and faster. The entire structure, steel frame, flooring, and glass railing, is factory-built. A crane lifts it, slides it onto pre-installed brackets, and it's done. A team can install dozens in a single day. Modern construction isn't just getting faster, it's becoming plug and play. Plastering a wall takes a huge amount of time, and only an expert hand can create a smooth, seamless surface. But for this plaster robot, it's a piece of cake. It is capable of plastering 1,300 square feet, 120 square meters of wall in just 1 hour. Traditional plastering is slow and physically demanding. Workers manually spread mortar with trowels, layer by layer, covering only a small area per hour. This machine changes everything. It automatically applies, levels, and smooths plaster using a guided vertical mechanism that keeps thickness perfectly even, every single time. No fatigue, no inconsistency. What used to take several workers an entire day now takes one robot an hour. Most buildings take months just to get their walls up. But what if the walls, the windows, and the insulation all arrived at once, ready to go? That's exactly what these facade panels do. Each one is a complete section of a building's outer wall. Windows already fitted, insulation already locked in, structural framing already built. No assembly on site, no waiting. A crane lifts it, it slides into position, and just like that, a finished piece of the building appears. And because these panels are produced in a factory while the building structure is still being built, nothing sits idle. Everything happens at the same time. Take a look at this hospital. A massive structure, fully walled, fully finished on the outside. All that in 18 days. This is not construction getting faster. This is construction being completely reinvented. Finishing fresh concrete by hand is back-breaking, time-consuming work. But the Lindeck LC900H changes that entirely. This Swedish-built ride-on power trowel sits the operator on a comfortable adjustable seat and puts a 26-horsepower Honda GX690 engine underneath them. Twin rotors spin at up to 170 revolutions per minute, pressing and smoothing the concrete surface to a dense, near-perfect finish, covering massive floor areas in a fraction of the time hand finishing would take. Hydraulic steering makes it effortless to control. Flip-up guard rings allow fast blade changes. LED lighting, a water spray system, even a cup holder. This is the top segment of ride-on trowel machines, and it shows. A canopy shields building entrances, walkways, and windows from rain, sun, and the elements, while giving the facade a clean, finished look. But most of them are heavy, rust-prone, and a nightmare to install. The Vestes architectural canopy throws all of that out. Built from specialized aluminum alloy, it's naturally rust-proof. No painting, no maintenance, no corroding over time. A 35-micron high-durability coating keeps the finish sharp for decades, even in coastal or high-altitude environments where steel would fail fast. But the real game-changer is installation. No crane, no large crew, just 2 workers and a bolt-on bracket system, up in a matter of hours. Lightweight, modular, corrosion-proof, and fully recyclable. This isn't just a canopy, it's a smarter way to build. No need to build a pool anymore. Just order a built one and add it to your home. That's exactly what ModPools delivers. Made from upcycled high-cube shipping containers, each unit arrives 95% complete. Pumps, heaters, and sanitation systems all pre-installed inside a built-in mechanical room. A crane drops it into position, a contractor connects the electrical and gas lines, and within 1 to 3 days, it's swim-ready. No deep excavation, no months of waiting. It can sit above ground, partially buried, or even on a slope. The signature acrylic viewing window gives it a futuristic aquarium look that no concrete pool can ever replicate. Next up is ICC Modular Building Solutions, using PPVC, prefabricated, pre-finished volumetric construction to revolutionize building speed. Each module is a fully finished unit, including walls, floors, ceilings, plumbing, electrical wiring, and insulation, manufactured in a controlled factory environment. The modules are built from high-strength concrete, lightweight steel framing, and fire-resistant, energy-efficient panels, ensuring durability, structural integrity, and long-term performance. While foundations are prepared on-site, the factory simultaneously produces multiple modules, each precisely engineered to fit together like Lego blocks, reducing installation errors. Once delivered, the modules are crane-lifted into position, eliminating weeks of on-site work. Projects that traditionally take 12 to 18 months can now be assembled in just 2 to 4 months, effectively accelerating construction up to 10 times. Imagine a 2,000 apartment building constructed within 54 hours. This is how the Shangshui-Tang International Apartment was built. The secret is simple. Each apartment was fully constructed in a factory. Doors, windows, flooring, walls, plumbing, and electrical wiring all fitted and finished before a single module ever reached the job site. While the foundation was being laid on site, the factory was running simultaneously, producing hundreds of completed units. Once delivered, cranes lifted each module into position one by one, stacking them into a fully finished building in a fraction of the time conventional construction would take. No wet trades, no plastering, no tiling on site. What would normally take years was done in days. This is factory-built construction, and it's changing everything. Construction just went airborne. Heavy lift drones can transport equipment that used to take hours or days to move up towers, turbines, or remote mountain sites. These drones are built with high-power rotors, reinforced frames, and advanced flight controls, allowing them to carry hundreds of kilograms safely in harsh weather. Instead of waiting for cranes or trucks, drones deliver tools, cables, and turbine parts directly to the installation point in minutes. By bypassing roads, scaffolding, and complex logistics, heavy lift drones cut transport and installation time by up to 10 times, making construction faster, safer, and far more efficient, especially in hard-to-reach locations. Roofing is one of the most dangerous jobs in construction, and one of the hardest to staff. Renovate Robotics thinks a robot can fix both problems. Meet Rufus 51. Unveiled in 2024, this rooftop robot attaches to anchor points via cables and moves across the roof in a precise XY grid pattern, placing and nailing asphalt shingles automatically on slopes up to 12/12 pitch. It works 3 times faster than a human roofer, cuts labor requirements in half, and weighs less than earlier prototypes. Its modular design means future versions could handle tear-off, cutting, and even solar panel installation. Renovate Robotics is already operating commercially in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, and this is just version 1. And one mistake ruins the whole floor. The CA80 robot does it automatically. It rolls across the surface, applies the adhesive, picks up each tile and places it in exactly the right spot, all without a human touch. 1 tile every 85 seconds, 3 to 4 times faster than a trained worker. And the precision? Every tile lands within a hair's width of perfect. No lippage, no uneven joints. In a regular home, it covers a full room in under an hour. In airports and train stations, it lays over 1,000 square feet, 93 square meters per shift, day after day without fatigue. This is a Chinese-made robot already certified and working on real job sites right now. Installing pipelines under active railway tracks is one of construction's trickiest challenges. You can't lift the tracks, you can't excavate from above, and the trains keep running. The solution? A hydraulic directional drill used by Holtmeyer Construction to bore a precise hole horizontally through the ground, directly beneath the track, without disturbing a single rail or tie. Once the bore is complete, a 24-inch 610mm steel casing is pushed through the opening, creating a protected sleeve for the pipeline to run through. No disruption, no downtime, just a clean hole in exactly the right place. Join several sections together and they become virtually impossible to move, unless you have the right machine. The CAT PL87 is purpose-built for exactly this job. Powered by a CAT C15 engine producing 319 horsepower, 238 kilowatts, it uses a side boom arm and a heavy-duty hydraulic winch to lift assembled pipe sections, position them precisely, and lower them into the trench, all in one controlled motion. Its rated lift capacity, 216,000 pounds, 97,976 kilograms. That's over 100 tons on the hook. Differential steering keeps full power to both tracks even with a loaded boom, so the PL87 keeps moving through mud, slopes, and tight job site corridors without stopping. One machine, one operator, miles of pipeline laid faster than any crew could manage by hand. Fast construction isn't always about building fast. Sometimes demolition is the bottleneck. Breaking a concrete slab by hand is slow, brutal work. The Hilti TE 3000 AVR changes that. It's Hilti's most powerful electric demolition hammer, delivering 50 foot-pounds, 68 joules of impact energy, matching a 60-pound, 27-kilogram air hammer with no compressor, no hoses, and no diesel. At just 65 pounds, 29 kilograms, its brushless motor pushes power-to-weight ratios beyond what traditional motors can manage. And two fully decoupled handles absorb vibration before it reaches your hands, so crews work longer without fatigue. Concrete slabs, asphalt, foundation trenches, this thing hits hard and keeps going. Breaking one concrete slab is one thing, but what about an entire road? That's exactly what the MHB Badger Breaker was built for. Instead of ripping up old pavement and hauling it away, this machine drives slowly down the road and shatters the concrete in place, a process called rubilization. The crushed material stays right where it falls, becoming a compacted base layer for the new road surface above it. The result? Less labor, less hauling, and dramatically lower construction costs. The largest Badger Breaker handles roads up to 13 feet, 4 meters wide in a single pass. Its hammers drive force straight down, not sideways, so it can work right next to barriers and alongside live traffic lanes without risk. Moving massive slabs of glass, stone, or concrete without breaking them, or someone's back, is one of the trickiest jobs on any job site. Aardwolf's FMVLA solves it with one clever attachment. It slides straight onto standard forklift tines, instantly converting your forklift into a precision vacuum lifter. 4 adjustable vacuum pads handle up to 1,676 pounds, 760 kilograms vertically, or 2,204 pounds, 1,000 kilograms horizontally, covering glass, stone, metal, concrete, timber, and laminates. The operator controls everything remotely. Building a traditional swimming pool means weeks of excavation, concrete, and specialist labor. The Aztec pool from France throws that entire process out. This is a ready-to-assemble modular pool system built around a patented Magnellus steel structure, one of the most corrosion-resistant materials available. The exterior facing is composite wood, non-porous, non-slip, mold-resistant, UV-resistant, and abrasion-resistant. The look of natural timber with none of the maintenance headaches. And the customization options are serious. 5 shapes, 19 sizes, 3 layouts, 5 liner colors, and 6 facing color combinations. Every pool is different. High-quality stainless steel fittings finish it off. No concrete, no mess, no specialist contractors. Just a beautiful, durable pool, assembled and ready to fill. What if every building's surface, roofs, facades, curved walls, even windows, could generate solar electricity? Not with heavy panels bolted on, but with a film you simply stick on like a sticker. That's exactly what German company Heliotech has built. Their organic solar film Helia Sol is ultra-thin, flexible, and lighter than almost anything in construction. It bonds directly to metal, concrete, glass, and membranes. No drilling, no mounting structures, no structural load concerns. Painting a high-rise exterior by hand means workers suspended at dangerous heights, exposed to wind for hours. Pro-build Robotics built the TR500 and TD500 to eliminate all of that. These climbing robots suspend from the rooftop via rope tracks and descend the facade autonomously, spraying latex paint, water in water, and multicolor coatings with consistent precision. No scaffolding, no workers at height. Built-in safety systems cover everything: overspeed limiting, overload detection, wind speed monitoring, attitude control, and emergency release. Breakpoint resumption technology means if the job pauses, it picks up exactly where it stopped. Traditional steel formwork is heavy, crane-dependent, and slow to assemble. Perry's Duo system throws out that entire approach. Duo is built from fiber-reinforced technopolymer, an engineered plastic stronger than it looks and lighter than almost anything on site. No single component weighs more than 55 pounds, 25 kilograms, meaning one worker can handle every panel by hand. No crane required. One system covers walls, columns, foundations, and slabs, with a minimal number of components and no special tools needed. Panels click together in seconds using a simple red coupler. The form lining withstands up to 100 pours before replacement, and when it's done, every component is 100% recyclable. Most apartment buildings are not built with elevators. Adding one later means months of disruptive construction, noise, and inconvenience for every resident in the building. Cone's prefabricated elevator changes that completely. Instead of building the shaft piece by piece on site, the entire elevator system arrives pre-manufactured, ready to assemble. Installation time drops dramatically. The work is cleaner, safer, and far less disruptive to the people living there. Fewer workers on site, fewer deliveries, less waste. For residents, it means faster access to a life-changing convenience. No more stairs for elderly or mobility-impaired neighbors. For building owners, it means a faster return on investment. Same result as traditional installation. A fraction of the time, a fraction of the disruption. What if an entire apartment building could be built in a factory, then assembled on-site as complete, finished rooms? That's exactly what Derrick's did with Poppies, a residential complex in Amsterdam built from 109 prefabricated timber modules, creating 93 apartments across 4 buildings. Each module arrives at the construction site as a complete room unit. Walls, floors, ceilings, and openings all finished at Derrick's factory in Germany. Only the foundation uses concrete. Everything above ground is pure timber. The result? 60% of the work normally done on site is already complete before a single module is erected. Construction time slashed, CO2 kept low, and 1,800 tons of carbon stored within the building itself. Every architect faces the same invisible problem. Once a building is finished, the acoustics can ruin everything. Echoes in a hospital corridor, noise in a classroom, reverberation in a concert hall. Fixing it after the fact is expensive and disruptive. Baswa Phone solves it with a single seamless plaster system applied directly to walls and ceilings. Flat surfaces, curved, domed, or vaulted. It doesn't matter. Made from 92% natural and recycled materials, microscopic pores in the finished surface absorb excessive noise and reverberant sound, achieving NRC ratings up to 1.00, the highest of any acoustic plaster on the market. Every concrete pour has the same problem at construction joints. Rebar penetrations need sealing, formwork needs removing, and the hardened surface needs roughening before the next pour. It's slow, labor-intensive, and messy. Netform eliminates all of it. This fiberglass mesh panel is simply nailed to the slab formwork before pouring. Rebar pushes straight through the mesh. No cutting, no drilling, no foam sealing. Plumbing and electrical installations penetrate just as easily. When the concrete sets, Netform stays embedded permanently. No stripping, no roughening. The construction joint is already sealed and structurally ready for the next pour. Before a single foundation is poured, the ground beneath it has to be ready. And on many job sites, that ground is weak, wet, and impossible to build on. Loist Group's lime-based soil stabilization solves that problem fast. When quicklime is mixed into soft, clayey soil, a chemical reaction begins immediately. The lime dries out the moisture, breaks down the clay particles, and through a pozzolanic reaction forms cementitious compounds that permanently strengthen the soil from within. The result? Unstable, muddy ground becomes a firm, load-bearing platform, ready for roads, railways, airports, and foundations, without excavating and replacing the weak material entirely. Less earth moved, less material imported, less time lost waiting for conditions to improve. Used across 20-plus countries, Loist has been transforming ground conditions since 1889. Renovating a hospital, airport, or shopping mall while it stays fully operational is one of construction's biggest challenges. Dust, noise, and safety hazards can't reach the public, but building traditional drywall barriers wastes days and generates mountains of waste. Temporary Wall Systems solves it with two modular wall collections, Core and Connect. Core walls handle healthcare, laboratories, and commercial spaces, meeting ICRI Class 5 infection control standards with HEPA filtration and negative air pressure compatibility. Connect walls reach up to 40 feet, 12 meters high for airports, malls, and large retail spaces, seamless, frameless, and fully wrappable with custom graphics. Pressure washing large surfaces, parking lots, driveways, sidewalks, building exteriors is back-breaking, time-consuming work. Lucid Bots built the LavoBot to take humans out of that equation entirely. This autonomous surface cleaning robot handles up to 6,000 square feet, 557 square meters per hour, supporting pressure rigs up to 4,500 pounds per square inch and 12 gallons per minute. The operator defines the cleaning area once in under 5 minutes, saves the route, and repeats it at the click of a button. Building a house normally takes months of skilled labor, heavy tools, and expensive materials. Bricawood, a French innovation, cuts that down to just days. These interlocking wooden bricks, made from sustainably sourced Douglas fir, tap together using precision dovetail joints. No nails, no screws, no glue, no specialist skills required. Each brick is hollow, with the wood shavings from manufacturing packed inside as insulation, zero waste. The resulting walls are airtight, watertight, and meet passive house energy standards, maintaining indoor temperatures with 90% less heating energy than conventional construction. A 1,292 square foot, 120 square meters, home can be fully erected in just 15 days. Kits range from a 215 square foot, 20 square meter studio up to 3,229 square foot,